Tiger Woods would not revisit his infamous car crash with reporters on Tuesday, saying he believes all of his memories of the wreck and all of the intricate details of it have already been discussed. "All those answers have been answered in the investigation," said Woods, who addressed a room full of media members for the first time since the February accident. "So, you can read about all of that there, in the police report. Document launch doc. Read the crash report launch doc document. It's been over 9 months since Woods suffered committed open fractures to his right leg in a horrific February 23 car crash near Los Angeles, and even though a detailed police report has been publicly released, there are still many questions that remain. Tiger, though, clearly wanted no part of shedding light on those while on the podium in the Bahamas at the Hero World Challenge, adding that he does not have flashbacks to the terrifying scene. "I don't know," Woods said. "I'm very lucky in that way. Gallery launch gallery. The crash scene launch gallery. Getty. As we previously reported, cops say the violent crash was all caused by Woods' speed, saying they believe the golfer was going over 80 miles per hour in a 45 miles per hour zone just before the accident. Cops say they do not believe Woods was under the influence of alcohol or drugs, saying in the report he exhibited no signs of impairment. They also said there were no open alcohol containers in the vehicle, no odors of booze and no prescription pills found at the scene. In the report, cops also say video showed Tiger moving well and appearing to be completely coherent as he left his hotel minutes before the crash. As for Tiger's initial talk with first responders, cops said in the docs Woods was knocked unconscious in the crash and did not know how the collision occurred.